亲又陪你，你会不坚强。无论生活的压力，还是爱情不容易，今朝永久，今朝为你一切去抗议。无论如今你的日子过得怎么样。
CMSCAPP 1523 by 940 mm iron bed welding. On the screen you can see iron bed. This position 1523 millimeters. This distance 940 millimeters. Put on the original positions. On the right button of the iron bed. Just like the iron bed 940 by 908, the top surface of this bar and this bar at Z equal to 37. There are 7 12 by 37 plates instead of 8 plates. There are 4 19 by 19 square bar, 1045 degrees, located in here instead of 1 19 by 19 square bar. So the welding at this side, and here with 2 spot welding, and at all the corner, just similar to the iron bed 940 by 908. Actually, based on this drawing, the spot welding at the corner at the plate and the end bars are welded by 2 spot welding. The line welding under the square bar and between the plate. But we have 4 square bars instead of 1 square bar, so we have more linear welding on 1523 by 940 millimeters iron bed. This is the drawing. The original points set in here. This direction is X minus direction. This is Y positive direction. The top of this bar at Z equal to 37, and this one Z equal to 37, and the plate, the top of the plate at Z equal to 12. The bottom of this 4 boundary bar is -1. It's very easy to locate this iron bed on working area by simply put a supporter or fixture And there are two pieces, 25 by 38. One here, with 108 millimeters distance. Two sidebar. As teaching welding at this side, this corner, we can copy this welding to here, to here. The best way is to learn how to copy the welding from Z equal to 10 up to the other spot points at Z equal to 27, and copy from one corner to the similar another corner to let the teaching procedure more efficiency. Okay, let's continue the demonstration. We already prepared the teaching CC file, separating into 3 programs. In the teach mode, we can load the first CC file for demonstration. The first CC file is test 400. You can see the welding here is 2 spot welding, and here linear welding. We'll go the sequence like the showing of the cursor at the last and at this point. The test 400 is a very big file, and then we do reset and load the second CC file, test 401. Test 401 is welding the corner. And then the last one, test 402, is at top of the square bar, A place. We separate the CC file into 3 files for better looking. Then we have to combine them and to run as a demonstration. Suppose we weld the corner first. The second is A place at the top of the square bar. The last is the majority welding at the terminal and under the square bar, A place. Right now, the test 402 already on the data field. According to what we are saying, this file is in the middle. How can we insert the welding on the corner in front of test 402? The way is to put the current index at line number 1, and we insert the test 401 in front of line number 1. How to do it? Just use head and move to make sure the index located at line number 1, and then we use insert file to insert test 401 in front of line number 1. Okay, let's do it. Insert file. You can choose test 401 in here. Choose it and OK. Now you can see the joint on the screen, and the file, 2 files already in data field. You can run to see it, or we load test 400 3 files together and run it totally. And as the end of this demonstration, the test 400 we intend to put at the bottom of the data field. So we demonstrate the file insert before the data field in front of line number 1, and then this time we demonstrate how to insert a file under the data field, append at the rear of the data field. Okay, let's do it. Do the demonstration. The way is use head tail, use tail, click half, the right half of head tail function key, and you can see as pressed head tail, the data field will index to the last line. If in this situation insert file test 400, the 400 will insert in front of 312. 312 become the last line. This is what we don't want. We want to append test 400 after 312. So we have to use next records, the right half, to go down 1 line. Okay, let's press it. Okay, as press next record, the index to the vacuum line just beneath all the data instructions in the data field. Right now the index point to 313. Okay, in these situations we insert last file test 400. Okay, press insert file and use mouse to choose test 400. Okay, test 400 is here, .cc, and OK. Then the file in. At the end, as the tool lift up the end positions, you can see at this moment showing on the screen. So the 3 CC files already on the screen, drawing by blue toolpath. The total line number is 956. Then the last one we can modify by K10. If for water jets, the K10 will cross water, cross sand, and then at the first line we have to change to K number 6 for water jet. As the program seeing K6 will open water, open sand, but for welding, K6 will let the system open the electric power. For arc welding or CO2 welding. Okay, let's run it. And that's the end of this demonstration.
坚强，无论生活的压力，还是爱情不如意，今朝有